pretty funny how much um, the price works as advertising for crypto, right?
Right.
Because you can talk about crypto for people. I have spoken about crypto to people for years, and they always come back to you when the all times high are broken, and they always come to you asking if it's too expensive to buy right now. Like, uh, I have there's so many people I told to buy crypto when it was $300, when it was $600, and they always come when it's breaking all time highs, and it's always this weird moment, right? It just feels like, what do you say to somebody? Like, you almost feel like you want to tell them they are late to the party, but in reality you never know if it's late or not late, right? We would think it's still very early, but you never know. In terms of adoption, I think one of the things that I'm really happy about is how MetaMask is getting so popular in the last year. I would say a lot of people who a lot of people just getting very familiar with MetaMask. I think um, Uniswap is one of the was kind of the beginning of the bull market, right? Like, even before things were pumping, Uniswap was already like with a massive traction that I wouldn't have expected. I think it's kind of the killer app on Ethereum so far, right? It's like nobody did something that I think, from my point of view, was so meaningful. I think